All right, I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. Welcome back to the Hollow Saver Garden. Many blessings to you all. Oh, let's see. These are the flimsy ones I get from Timu, but that's all I get left. I'm gonna plan out the rest of what I have. The things that I need for summer, I guess. I'm probably not gonna plant all of this because I need something else to plant my corn in. So I'm gonna wait on my corn. I need something else for that. So that'll be one that I'm not gonna plant right now. I don't know where my other watermelon seeds are. Oh my goodness. All I have for watermelon outside is sweet Siberian. Oh no. And tender sweet orange. Oh great. Well, that's what I'm planting right now. I don't know where my other seeds are. We'll see. So we got, I don't know, let me do what all this. Canary yellow. This doesn't look like it's super sweet though. Canary yellow doesn't. It says sweet, creamy, and juice, super juicy. Put those back in your pocket, mama. Planter jumbo cantaloupe. Let me see, 80 to 90 days. That's fine. Oh, this is the one that's climbing. This is too, isn't it? Yeah, all these are climbing. Um, ooh, this honey nut squash is 110 days. That's a long time. Minnesota midget cantaloupe, 75 days. I'm planting that. Of course, candy roasted squash is super good. Sweet, tender sweet orange, tiger melon, and banana melon. Banana melon take 95 days. 85, excuse me. Stop that. No, you're going to knock it over. All right, let's get these planted. Mm, let me see. Where? I think I should make my tags first. I'm trying not to knock stuff over, guys, because stop, don't grab the table, because they'll definitely fall, please. The table will fall, and it'll be out of here. Oh, great, that's wet. Trying to avoid that. Okay, what I say, what we got? Planters Jumbo Cantaloupe. Let's get that on here. Planters Jumbo Cantaloupe. That's spelled right? Yes, I did. And then we have Honey Nut Squash. Honey Nut Squash. And then we have Sweet Siberian watermelon. Sweet Siberian watermelon. Minnesota midget cantaloupe. What else? Candy roaster. Candy roaster. Squash. We've been out here for a while, guys. My babies are ready to go in. And I'm gonna plant these, and then we're gonna go in. That do? Mm. Okay, no, tender sweet orange. Yeah, tender sweet orange. Watermelon. Tigger melon. Uh, Banana melon. Let's see, did I put? No. Is this the last one? Yeah. Canary yellow is the last one. Canary yellow melon. All right, we've got it. This stuff back up. Trying to get this out the way, guys. You want to take them in and I'm just plant these? The seed? And I come in? Oh, so you want to take the kids in while I plant these seeds? It's getting kind of cold. Go. Watch your step. Don't fall. Here. Yeah. Okay. So we're putting the wet dirt in. It's already wet. It's soaked, actually. Dirt is soaked. I was supposed to start these a while ago, but I am not late. It's fine. I'm not late. I don't care. I'm not late. And if it is, I know how to buy starts, but I prefer to see if I can get something going. Last season, I put them out too soon and they got eaten, so at least they were started though. uh, I can say that they were started. This weather's been so messed up. Everybody's got a runny nose, or today I end up with a sore throat. I'm like, oh my goodness. I need tea galore. I need all the tea. And I don't mean gossip. Uh, Trying to hurry up because it is cold down here, guys. It's getting cold now. Like, what in the world happened? What are you doing, huh? Hmm. So we'll do a tour one of these days once a lot more is planted out. But it is cold. It's been cold and rainy. I think it's gonna rain again tonight. It's been non-stop raining. Like every single day for the last 2, 3 weeks. It's just been raining. It's just been raining, guys. So what are you all planting? What kind of watermelons or melons or things like that are you planting? Let me know in the comments. We're gonna try to get all the melons planted. But I'm gonna definitely save some space for my bigger watermelons that I'm gonna put in here. That I'm definitely late on. I will say I will be trying to grow a Charleston Gray, but I think I'm way too late on that. The thing takes forever, but I'm still trying to grow it. If I still have those seeds, I have to find all my seeds. I thought I grabbed all the ones that I had that I wanted to plant, but I didn't. So I'm gonna have to come back out, not today, but probably tomorrow, and plant a few more of these seeds. So okay, I'm gonna take these off. I'm done with that wet soil, and then we'll see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things that I'm gonna plant, and I want at least 3 of the same thing. Mostly. Mostly. I'll say. Stop that. Don't do that. Okay? Thank you. So we'll do 2 canary yellow, 2 tiger melon. We'll just do 2 of these. Let them come up. We'll do, let me see, Minnesota midget, cantaloupe. We'll do 2. The banana melon we'll do 2. And honey nut squash we'll do 2. And then tender sweet orange we'll do 4. And the sweet Siberian we'll do 4. And the candy roaster squash we'll do 2. And then Planter's Jumbo Cantaloupe, we'll just do 2. And it leaves room for more of the things that I need to plant. I'm saying 2 sales, but I probably put, we'll see. Okay, so canary yellow, I'm going to put, this is a 1/2 inch deep. So I need my marker pen. My tool is probably in the greenhouse, but, that's fine. Okay, coming. So canary yellow, I'm planting right now. Canary yellow, we're gonna do. Yeah, I probably need my tool more so than this. Yeah. I'm gonna put 2 seeds in one of the holes, just in case. Well, you know, I'll plant something super late and just see if it'll work. See if it'll still work. It might. So, should I put my corn in one of these since I have that? I don't know. Probably not. We'll see. Corn is fine. We'll see. I don't know. It's cold. I'll just do what I have right now. Put my stuff back. Put this over here. This thing is busted. It came from Dollar Tree, so $1.25. It's wet, so I'm gonna put it right here. I should just left it where it was actually. Put it right here. Okay. And then Planter's Jumbo. Let me see if I have a different tool. I didn't want to have to get up. I don't have a tool, but I have these. I could just use to scoop. But you know what? I might want to go in order. Well, it doesn't matter. Planter's Jumbo. Where is that? Planter's Jumbo. I thought I was going to do 2. Okay, let's see what these look like. Same. Okay. See. These things really don't like their roots disturbed like the watermelon and stuff, but I mean, let's see, Planters Jumbo. Yeah. So I'll put 1, 2. And when they come up, I'll put them in the ground. When they get true leaves, I just put them in the ground. That way they won't be too disturbed, but they will have room to grow. Also, those 2. That was the Planters Jumbo. I can't wait to try the new ones because I didn't. A lot of these I haven't planted. I don't think I did the honey nut squash, or I did and nothing came up. So same as like not doing it. Okay, honey nut squash. We're gonna do the same thing. I will not be playing Kush out this season. Oh my goodness, because I still have some that I canned. It's the honey nut squash. And look at the seed. It's all scraggly. Scraggly. Look at that. All of them are like, I don't know. I hope these are some good. Can you guys see that? How that looks? I hope there's some good. We have 10 of them. This one looks drier than the rest. So. Well, guys, they're cutting trees. I showed you what I was planting. And that's it for today. That's all I'm going to plant today. But I just wanted to show you guys that I am out here and getting things planted. Even though I'm late, I'm still doing it. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.